If you have been following this Twin Flame series, part 1 we talk about broke your heart, part 2 we gave you hope, but part 3 changes everything. Yes, today Spirit has revealed something so profound, so shocking about your twin flame silence that I had to challenge this message immediately. If this video found you, it's not a coincidence. Take a deep breath and light a candle if you can, and let's begin this journey together. I want to acknowledge something first. The pain you have been carrying, it's real, and the silence you have been feeling, it's real. The question keeping you is, wake up at midnight. Did they something ever love me? Will they come back? Am I being ignored? These are real questions deserving real answers. So if you are crying as you watch this, let those tears flow. They are healing you. Spirit holding space for you right now. In this 30-minute challenge reading, we will discover and we will let you know how they are going to feel when they will break their silence, and you will be wonder to know the real answer, the real reason. So here we go. Before we begin, let's anchor our energy. Place your hand on your heart. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now ask yourself silently, Spirit, what do I need to know today? Trust that every word in this reading is meant for you especially. Let's begin. My beloved soul, I'm going to tell you something that may shock you. Your twin flame did not go silent because they stopped loving you. They found someone else. They forgot you. They moved on. No. The truth is, the real truth is, they went silent because the love became too overwhelming. Their nervous system, their human mind, their wounded heart, none of it was prepared for the intensity of what you both share. So they did what the human ego does do the best. Yes. They ran. They hid themselves. They went silent. Not because they didn't care, but because they cared so much. It terrified them. You see, every twin flame relationship triggers a war between ego and soul. Their soul knows this is the one. Their soul recognizes you from every lifetime. Their soul wants to merge with you forever, but their ego, yes, their ego. Their ego is terrified because real soul level love demands complete surrender, complete vulnerability, healing of every wound, releasing every mask, becoming their highest self, and most human hearts aren't ready for this, especially the wounded masculine energy, which is what your twin embodies right now. So instead of facing this divine fire, they retreat. Yes, they retreat. They block. They go silent. Their silence is not a rejection. The silence is their soul saying, I'm not ready yet. But I come. But I definitely come. Let me describe what they're feeling right now. They wake up. They wake up, and the first thought is you. They go through their day pretending to be fine, but every quiet moment your face appears. They have tried dating others. It feels empty, hollow. No one matches your energy. They have thrown themselves into the work, but success feels meaningless without you. They scroll through old photos in the midnight. Yes, they scroll it out 100 times. They drafted the messages, then they deleted them all. Why? Because ego whispers. You hurt them. You don't deserve them. What if they reject you? Now, Their guilt is heavy, their pride is blocking them, their fear is paralyzing them. But under all of that, their love for you is still alive, burning, eternal. What Spirit revealed to me is profound. While they appear silent on the outside, inside they are going and doing intense soul work. They are healing childhood wounds. They are comforting their commitment fears. They are unlearning toxic patterns. They are learning to receive love. Spirit shows me them crying alone at night, asking themselves, why can't I just message? They're frustrated with their own resistance. This silence phase is actually their soul's preparation period. They cannot return to you as the wounded version. Yes, they cannot return to you as the wounded version. The universe is rebuilding them into the partner you deserve. So when they do come back, they won't be running away from the love anymore. They will be ready to receive it fully. This is why patience matters so much, beloved. You are not waiting for them to remember you. You are waiting for them to remember themselves. Now the question burning in your heart. Yes. When will they come back? When will they come back? Spirit showed me something specific today, and I want to share it with you clearly. The next 21 days are critical. Yes, the next 21 days are critical. This is a threshold phase for them. Within the next 3 weeks, you will receive a clear sign for them. A very clear sign for them. An unexpected message or contact. A mutual friend mentoring them. Yes. A synchronicity tied to your memories. Look out the sign 1111, 2222, 333 appearing intensely, their names showing up randomly, dreams of them feeling so real. Sudden emotion waves out of nowhere. These are not coincidences. This is your soul connection reactivating. Spirit broke this down into a phrases. In next 21 days, you will see subtle signs, subtle synchronicity. You will feel their energy strongly. Brief contact or near encounters. Their name appears repeatedly. And you will see a breakthrough. You will see a breakthrough, a direct communication returns, honest communication begins. They may express regret, old wounds get addressed, both of you start healing together, and the reunion. Yes, and the reunion, conscious reconnection, new, healthier relationship, dynamic, aligned with your divine purpose, twin flame mission begins. But beloved, these timelines depend on your energy alignment too. The more you focus on healing yourself, the faster they come back. This is universal law. Now I must tell you something important. There is one block. There is a one block between you right now. And Spirit revealed it to me very clearly. The block is fear. But not just any fear. It's fear that they will lose themselves if they surrender to this love. They have built a whole identity around being, independent, strong, attracted, in control. Yep, I can see here. And you will going to shake the entire foundation of them. When they are around you, they can't hide. You see through the walls. You activate their souls. You make them feel, and they are not used to it. So they retreated to reclaim their old identity. But here's the truth is still revealed. Their old identity is not going to fit themselves. It's not going to fit themselves. They cannot go back to who they were before you. The transformation has already begun. Their soul knows the truth, and slowly their mind is catching up. My love, I know this is hard. I know you wish they would just shown up. I know the waiting feels endless, but Spirit reveals something so beautiful today. The silence is not a punishment. This is scared space for both of you. You needed them to reconnect. You needed them to reconnect with yourself, heal codependent patterns. You need to build self love that doesn't depend on them. Discover your soul mission. Become the magnetic version of yourself. And they needed time to face their inner shadows, heal muscular wounds, develop emotional capacity, realize what they lost, choose growth over fear. And when you both return to each other, you will, as was Saul, not wounded halves. This is divine reunion, not what your ego wanted, but what your soul signed up for. Yeah, beloved, if you want this reunion, if you truly want this reunion, then you need to manifest. Then you really need to manifest this. You must stop doing these things immediately. Stop checking their social media obsessively. It drains your energy and pushes them away. Stop sending multiple messages. Desperation energy repels them. Stop asking mutual friends about them. It signals neediness to the universe. Stop imagining worst case scenarios. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop forcing the timeline. I know it's hard. I know you want updates, but every time you do these things, you are broadcasting, I don't trust the divine pain. And this is not going to be work then. You have to trust the divine. You have to trust the universe. Instead, you have to do the following activities for the reunion energy. Focus on yourself. Yes. Be focused on yourself. Here two cards revealed me that you have to focus on yourself. Grow up, pursue passion, live fully, heal your inner child, forgive yourself to past mistake. You did the best you could with what you know. Forgive them silently. This release karmic energy blocks. Meditate on your future self. Visual the reunion. Feel it as real. Journalize yourself. Trust the divine timing. When you embody this energy, you become magnetic. Your twin flame feel the shift in your soul. Yes, they will feel the shift in your soul, even from miles away. This is how silent communication works in the twin flame. Spirit also gave me a very specific ritual for you, and I want you to do every night before you go to bed. Step 1, light a pink or white candle. Yes, you have to light up a pink or white candle. Place on your hand and place your one hand to your heart. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and say aloud. You have to say loudly, I release my twin flame from any expectations. I trust the divine timing of our reunion. I am whole, I am worthy with or without them. But our souls are externally connected. And when the time is right, we will return to each other. Trust me. So it is, Amen. Visualize golden light wrapping around both of you. See the cord between your heart strengthening. Send them love silently. Open eyes. Blow out the candle. This ritual releases attachment energy, strengthens your soul connection, aligns your reunion timeline. Healing happens in your sleep. Trust me, within 21 days, something miraculous will happen. And repeat these powerful affirmations daily. I am magnetically aligned with my twin flame. Our reunion is unfolding in perfect divine timing. I trust the universe plan for our love. My twin flame is being prepared for our reunion. I release all fear and welcome divine union. Say these out loud, loud as much as you can. With feeling every morning, your subconscious will reprogram it itself and the universe will start aligning everything. Spirit gave me 7 shocking signs that I am going to share with you. Yes, when you start seeing this, get ready. Sign 1, your emotional waves. Your emotional waves. You can't explain. You will randomly cry or feel overwhelmed love. That's their energy reaching out to you. Ringing in your right ear, spirit communication channel opening, dreams when they speak to you clearly, their name appearing everywhere, a strong sense of being watched, thought of their consciousness is reaching for you. These are the signs to watch for too. Sudden peace replacing anxiety. Yes. The chase energy dissolves and trust enters. Random forgiveness washing over you. You release resentment effortless. Vivid dreams of reunion or marriage. Strangers compliment your glow. Old patterns failing away naturally. Feeling down to a specific place or people. When you experience any of this sign, your reunion is imminent. Spirit showed me how they will initially reach you. Yes, they have showed me how you will and they will reach out to you. It will be unexpected, a random, like an old photo, a view on your Instagram story, a short message. How are you being? A mutual friend mentoring. Yes, here is a sun card and here is a love card, which shows me that your reunion is confirmed. Showing up where you frequent, a simple birthday or holiday wishes, a strong dedication on the story. They reach out will be casual. Don't expect grand declarations yet. They will test the water first because their ego still has wounds to heal. So you need to respond. And your response matter hugely here. When they reach out, stay calm and grounded. Respond with warmth but not desperation. Don't bring up past hurts immediately. Match their energy. Take your time replying. Let them lead and depth of conversation. This will re-establish balance. And this is how the wall finally crumbles. Now, my beloved soul, this is the scared message Spirit asked me to deliver you. The truth, no twin flame is told. This entire energy, the silence, the pain, the longing is not about them. It is about you returning to yourself. Your twin flame is a mirror. Their silence forced you to face yourself. Their absence taught you self-love. Their walls revealed your own walls. Their wound activated your healings. Without this no contact phase, you would have been stayed small, codependent, lost in them. But now look at you. Look at how much you have grown up. You have learned to be alone with yourself. You have discovered passion with purpose. You have connected with the Spirit deeply. You have become powerful. This is the gift of twin flame energy. Embrace it. Their silence created your soul awakening. And here's the secret of reunion. When you stop needing them, to come back to you, then truly whole without them, you trust the divine plan completely. And this is when they return. The universe responds to your energetic match. If you are operating from desperation, the universe matches that and delays reunion. If you are operating from wholeness, love, trust, the universe matches that and accelerate reunion. It is not magic, it is energetic. So your job right now is not to bring them. Your job is to heal until you no longer need them. Love yourself and deeply, it overflows. Trust the journey completely. Live your most aligned life. And the moment you embody this, trust me, they will feel it. They will feel it from anywhere in the world and they will be drawn back to you like a moth to a flame. Beloved soul, if you have watched until now, Splits wants you to know you are seen, you are heard, you are deeply loved. Your twin flame journey has not been in vain. Every tear, every sleepless night, trust me, every prayer, Spirit witness it all and the reunion that's coming. And it will be worth every moment of waiting. But more importantly, the person you are becoming throughout this journey is a real gift. It will be a real gift. You are stepping into your divine power, you're becoming your highest self, you're aligning with your soul mission, and that's what your twin flame fell in love with. The light inside you, and that you are now embracing. Trust the process, trust yourself, trust the spirit. The reunion is coming, but you are already whole. If this message touched your soul, if this message completely resonates you, comment 1111 below in the comment section. Spirit knows who needs to hear back. Like this video, send the message to more twin flames in need, share this with someone, be the angel they needed today. Subscribe for part 4 where Spirit reveals the exact date of your reunion. Until next time, my beloved soul, stay grounded, stay open, stay trusting. You are exactly where you need to be. I love you, Attorney. Mystic Eco Tarot. Keep subscribing.